We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson of the day. Ngài Hey Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 S 彤。
It is time for food again. 又要来吃了。猴丝啊，是这样讲吗？猴丝，that means delicious. We're gonna give you another delicious dish from the Hakka culture again right here. So we're gonna go ahead and tell you what ingredients are required for the stewed pork with turnip, and then I, as Chef Ling Zhexiu, will tell you how to cook the stewed pork with turnip. Okay? 我自己很不要脸，叫自己是 Chef 林哲修。Anyways, all right， 有几个材料啊 ，ingredients 要跟大家介绍。一个是白萝卜 turnip，
菜头。
哦，就是，That's right. There are a couple of ways of saying turnip， 就是菜头啊。
菜头。
菜頭 ，that's turnip. You need to prepare pork 排骨。排骨哦，这个台语就讲排骨。And finally, well, a couple more things. Coriander 就是香菜。
香菜。
And a bit of salt 需要一点盐。Yum. So, let me tell you how you can cook this dish, the stewed pork with turnip. First, you got to prepare about 600 grams of turnip or 菜头 and then about 450 grams of 排骨，也就是差不多10两左右的排骨 and a little bit of coriander. Like, personally, I don't like coriander, so you can skip that if you want. And of course, a pinch of salt is required as well. Now, what you do is you take the turnip, the big white turnip, and you cut it into cubes that you like. Big cubes, small cubes, it's up to you, but into cubes, okay? And then next, you take the pork. You boil it with water for a little while to give it a little simmering. And then after that, you throw away the water, and then you put new water into the pot and put the pork in. Now, you cook that pork for about 15 minutes. Next, you put those cubes of turnip into the pot, and then boil both of them for about 30 minutes. After that, you can put in your coriander and a pinch of salt, and ding! Voila! You got yourself the stewed pork with turnip. Alice, 我怎么没有看到你在流口水呢？
有啊，吞落去耶。
So there you go, another great dish for you. 美味しい好吃，怎么讲？好吃的 stewed pork with turnip for you right here on ICRT's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么泰嘎？
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.